Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete photos in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your photos in Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you'll land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. Now in order to proceed to delete photos in Picsart on this interface, at the bottom of the screen you can see the bunch of icons available for us. We'll be required to tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the folder icon at the bottom right and you land over here, which is the folders or your files interface of Picsart. And currently we are on the all section of our files over here. If you swipe this menu to the left, there is the photos button available for us. By tapping on that, all of the photos available on your Picsart app will be over here. Now in order to proceed to delete a particular photo or delete photos, simply tap and hold on the photo which you want to delete, and the moment this panel appears, there is the delete button available for us at the bottom of the screen just above the close. Tap on delete and again tap on the delete button over here, and then that photo will be deleted from your Picsart account. And that being said guys, this is how to delete photos in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.